What's up, guys? Biker Dave here. This is a 2013 Ford Fiesta SE, and I'm just driving around in it. It was one of my friend's cars, and it got in an accident. It got sideswiped by a big rig and damaged a good bit of the left side of the car, but it still drives perfect. Everything works on it perfectly. It's just a really good little car. Still gets 30 miles per gallon all day long. A little 4-cylinder engine, automatic transmission, power windows, power door locks, sync radio, Bluetooth, XM radio, CD player, USB ports, all the basics that most people would want, and especially in a little get-around car or a student car, something like that. And so I've been driving it a good bit, and I just wanted to show you guys how it is, in driving. And we got some other videos about it also. This car will be for sale soon, and other than the damage on the outside, left side, basically the doors, part of the rear bumper is damaged. Part of the windshield has a crack in it, so it's got some damage to it. But if you want something that is really good as far as mechanically and fuel efficient and all that, I highly recommend a Ford Fiesta. Also, many people complain about transmission problems on the Fiesta and the Focus. That has been resolved on this car by Ford. Ford had to replace a clutch assembly and some other things in it, but they handled it, thank goodness, under warranty, even though the warranty had expired, and so had the recall had expired. But we had to get ugly with them, and they resolved it. So great. That's been over a year and a half ago, so it's been driving perfectly ever since. And so yeah, if you are on the look for something like this, small 4-door hatchback, this particular one's a hatchback, even though they offer a sedan also, I definitely recommend it. So I'm just going to cruise around some in it, and it drives great. Totally awesome. So yeah, it's kind of a meaningless video, but whatever. I'm going to do it anyway.
Scored 4 runs in the final 2 innings of this game to beat the Braves 16-13. Game 2 tonight as Charlie